Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for checking in. Okay, this is shaking. In today's video I want to try out the new Beauty Blender Bounce Foundation, which just it launched maybe like 3-4 weeks ago, I think, in like 10 more shades. They had it like half a year ago already. They came up with that, but I think these are this is one of the shades that just recently came out because they stocked up kind of their range of shades, yeah. And I have a 100C, so I hope it's not going to be too light, but we will see and test that out. Plus I have the Redo Beauty Blender setting spray, the Real Beauty Blender, and then some powder puff thing. It was kind of one set, all these three things, so I'm going to test out Beauty Blender things, and yeah, I hope you enjoy. So I already wet my Beauty Blender, and now the thing with that is, okay, I think I have to unlock it, and then you kind of pump it onto the thing, which I find quite weird, but hey, what can you do? Because then you have to clean it up every single time you use it, and who has time for that? I don't. Okay, let's hope it's not too light. It is. But hey, let's work with it. To be fair, I haven't informed myself much about the foundation. I just heard of some people that they're complaining that the shade range is too little. But other than that, so the shade is very light, and I mean, it's good, I guess. It's just my fault getting the wrong shade. Wow. I don't know so far. I mean, I guess it's a foundation that dries in quite quickly. That's the feeling I've got so far. It's medium coverage, I would say. Oh my god, I look like a ghost. It's gonna be fun. But I guess it covers redness quite well.
Can you tell me, do you want me? If you want me, can I tell you? I think about you, I still think about you. You playing out.
I mean, it's definitely medium coverage, which is quite nice, and it doesn't look drying or anything since I have dry skin. For instance, the Fenty Beauty Foundation, I can't wear it. It's just not happening. It's too dry for me. But this one is actually not bad. Maybe with some bronzer and all of that I can kind of fix the whole thing that's going on here. I'm now going to use the powder puff thingy. It's actually quite good quality, I think. It's quite heavy and nice in the hand instead of compared to other powder puffs. Is that the name, powder puff? Yeah. Just going into some compact powder, just maybe not too heavy because that's darker than the whole thing on my face. I'm gonna use a brush for under my eyes. The powder is like translucent, non-translucent, I don't even know what it is, but yeah. Looks quite smooth. Can't really complain so far. Shit. So I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup now, and you can just watch it and I'll show you the end result. Yeah, otherwise it's gonna be too long anyways, and it's more about the skin. Yeah. Done with my look, just waiting for my mascara to dry, but now I'm going to use the Redo Setting Mist from Beauty Blender. I tried it a few times. The thing is, you will see, wait, will you see? The thing is, yeah, okay, I think you can't see. Anyway, well, you can tell that there's something coming out and you feel like little drops on your face, but it's not really like no other setting mist. You don't feel anything landing on your face, so I'm always confused if there's actually anything on my face at the end or not. Oh wait, to check my foundation. I can imagine it drying out your skin a little bit, because on my chin I'm usually quite dry. I guess you can't see. It's quite matte now. I'd like it to be a bit more dewy, I think. Yo, I went a bit overboard with my highlighter. Hi. But to be fair, it looks super even. Can't really complain about that. Yeah, super even. Since it's quite late already and I'm filming that at, what time is it? 9 PM and I'm not going out anymore, and I'm probably just gonna wash off my makeup afterwards, but I can't really test it for a long amount of time, but when I will do that tomorrow probably, so I'll let you know how that went. But in general, I quite like my makeup today. It's a shame that I'm not doing anything. No, yeah. Alright. Thank you so much for watching, you guys, and I hope you stay tuned. And yeah, see you in my next video.
Can you tell me, do you want me? If you want me,